Car insurance quotes that are customized for you. Insurance quotes that are customized for you. Everyone needs car insurance. Get a quote for company that delivers affordable and rates and personalized service when you need it. Geico Auto Insurance been saving people money for 85 years. We know a thing or two about Swift car insurance. Rate we deliver a car insurance policy with exceptional coverage and best in class customer service, and that matter when you have an accident or are stuck on the side of the road. Get a fast and free car insurance quote. To see everything Geico has to offer. Why do you need car insurance? If you want a car, you need auto insurance. A car insurance policy help provide financial protection for you and possible others if you are involved in an accident. All it take in 50 minutes to get a personal personalized car insurance quote with the best ratings, discount option available to you. What do you need to know about auto insurance? Understanding a few things about car insurance policy help you make the best uh, decisions about your policy here. Helpful your resource for car insurance information. What are you car insurance quotes? So customize auto insurance coverage for left driving habits. Joint help you find car insurance that right for you. So thank you everyone.